Your safety comes first. Balcony glazing provides insulation for the balconies, while it gives the balcony an aesthetic view thanks to its design. One of the most important factors affecting the integrity of the balcony is the transparent glass seals between the glass panes. However, the glass seals becoming old and yellow is inevitable. However, it is very easy to change the seals with the new ones. You can do it in just minutes without any extra service or spending. In order to assemble the new seals to your balcony, the glass panes should be cleaned after removing the old glass seals. The new seals are measured and marked on the same length needed for the balcony. The new seals are cut on the marked point with BKS glass seal cutting knife. It is important to use it on a hard floor and push it hard to cut. The new seals are assembled to the glass from the beginning till the middle of the glass pane. From the other end, it is assembled and assembling is finished in the midpoint.